Warning for western County in northeastern Maryland, north central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northeastern Harford County in northern Maryland, until 6:50 p.m. Degree 7. Possible rain indicated. Storms producing heavy rain across the whole area. Up to 2 inches of rain. Expected rainfall is 1.5 to 30 minutes. Additional rainfall up to 3 inches are possible in the warm areas. Hazard flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Jarrettsville, Rising Sunshine, Cornwall, Octoraro, Rock Springs, Richardsmere, West Nottingham, Hyattsville, Port Deposit, Darlington, Rocks, Street, Crone Hill, Forest Hill, Whiteford, Cardiff, Scarborough, Doorsville, Hartford, Maryland Line. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Here is the